You just gave your CS executive exams and now there's nothing to do. No syllabus, no deadline, and no group spamming you at midnight. And all you have is just 2 months of silence. And I genuinely know most people will waste it, scrolling, binge watching, and maybe waiting for results. But here's the catch. I dare you to disappear for 2 months. Yes, I dare you to disappear for these 2 months, not to run from your CS journey, but to come back as someone your competition cannot match. Because here's what no one tells you about being a company secretary: the certificate alone isn't enough. Honestly, thousands of students clear CS every year and they all get the same certificate. So, what makes you stand out? Or what makes a CFO actually trust you? Or what makes a client hand their compliance to you? And the answer is it's not the certificate, it's the person holding it. Right now, you have a very rare gift: time with no excuses not to use it. So please use it. Whether you clear or restart, these 2 months belongs to you. So let's not waste them. And wait, when I say disappear, I don't mean ghost everyone and do nothing. I mean go silent on result and go loud on growth. Honestly, stop waiting for validation. Stop comparing your exams with your batchmates or fellow students of your group. Disappear from the noise and reappear 2 months later, visibly ahead of them. And here's how. Here are 8 skills that you genuinely need to ace to be ahead and be a better company secretary in future. First thing first, learn Excel. For real this time. You have used Excel, I know, but can you build a model from scratch without Googling? Honestly, as a company secretary, board resolution, financial statement, ROC filing, and almost all of it lives in spreadsheets. The one skill makes your first job 10 times smoother. So please learn Excel in these 2 months. Second is to build your typing speed. CS professionals draft resolutions so quickly, like notices, minutes, legal document, consultancy. And if you have a typing issue or you are typing with 2 fingers, you're already behind. Like they'll crush you, man. 15 minutes in a day is what you need to do for next 2 months to actually ace your typing skills. And here comes my favorite one: develop your communication skills. Can you speak confidently in a boardroom? Like being a company secretary, you should be fluent and very good at speaking. Can you explain a compliance issue to a non lawyer? Or write a formal email without even guessing every line? Your words carry legal weightage, right? And this is literally what you will be paid for. This is the soft skill that will separate a good CS from a great one. So communication is the key for a company secretary. And the one that you cannot miss is please understand your personal finance. You'll be a company secretary, right? And being a company secretary, I know, whether by ranting or whatever, but you have studied CAFM and tax as well. So you genuinely need to understand your personal finances to be a better decision maker at spontaneous times. You're definitely studying corporate law and financial statement, but do you have a budget for your own self for a month? Do you know how a P&L actually reads? No, I have no clue about it. A CS is expected to guide companies through that. So start understanding your personal finance by your own at first level and eventually you will learn. Fifth is to get comfortable with MCA, SEBI, and compliance portals. And yes, it is necessary. I know it's hard, but it is necessary. Honestly, most freshers sit in their first job completely lost and navigating these. So, getting familiar with the actual portal now is the hidden knowledge that gives you a fresh start on day one of your first job. So please do it. It is necessary. Sixth is to build a LinkedIn profile. I know I don't have one, but you should definitely build one for yourself. Like by the time you actually get your certificate of company secretary and you start applying to various firms, various companies, and you make a LinkedIn profile, but a LinkedIn profile with zero activity will be scrolled past. So better you spend these 2 months quietly building a presence on LinkedIn, like sharing what you have learned, connecting with CS professionals or the actual CS who are practicing. And in this field, you don't actually need to be perfect, you just need to be present. So please build a LinkedIn profile. That's damn easy and is genuinely very helpful. Seventh is to read one book when you have nothing to do. Like every CS aspirant is reading the same Pair Act and study materials, and it's been long with a lot of pressures. So, reading something different out of the box, like leadership, negotiation, psychology, one book that makes you think differently. Not just studies, not related to studies, but anything. Just read it out. Have space and give some space to your mind to think wisely. So start reading, start stepping out of the world of company secretary. It is a bubble. Stop living in that ki okay, just bare act and ye get out of it, get some knowledge, get some things. What if you do not turn out to be a company secretary? At least you'll have some extra skills, some you know, start reading and stop being in a bubble of bare act, study materials that coaching provides, and do something out of the box, please. And eighth one is to take care of your body. You have been sitting, reading, stressing out, and your body is being exhausted. Because CS is a desk thing, and these 2 months is to relax, rebuild yourself, regain your strength. If you're fat, go fit. If you're fit, stay fit. But take care of your body. Body is the only thing which will stay lifelong with you. So take care of it. So these were the 8 things that will genuinely make you a better CS in future. And now before I go, 2 months from now, results will be out. Either you clear and step into professional, cheers to you, I'm happy for you, or you restart executive and I feel sad for you. But either way, if you did these 8 things, you won't be the same person you were actually. You will be way ahead of your batchmates and your competition. हो सकता है वो pass हो जाए, but certificate is the destination, and who you become along the way is the career that you are building. So disappear, and when you come back stronger. So that's from my side, and do remember, all of us are together in this, and let's hope the best for results. I hope हम सब pass हो जाएं, and let's meet in professional. तब तक के लिए hasta la vista. That was so lame. That was genuinely so lame.